Hello students, we have completed 10 sums of exercise 2.2. Today we will do 3 more sums. So let us start with question number 11. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? First, understand the question carefully. They have given age of father and grandfather in relation to the age of Baichung. And all these three ages are unknown to us. But then they have given that sum of their ages, all three, is 135 years and we have to find age of everyone individually. So first of all, we will assume Baichung's age be as X. Now it is given that Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. It means to the age of Baichung, if we will add 29, we will get his father's age. So we will assume Baichung's father's age be X plus 29. Then we have to find Baichung's grandfather's age. So Baichung's grandfather's age we have assumed as X plus 29 plus 26. Now why X plus 29 plus 26? Because father's age we have assumed as X plus 29 and they have given us that Baichung's father is 26 years younger than his grandfather. Younger than grandfather, it means grandfather is 26 years older than his father. So if his father is X plus 29, then that 26 will also be added to his age so that we can find grandfather's age. So X plus 29 plus 26 is X plus 55. And according to the question, the sum of these three ages is 135 years. So our equation will be framed like this. X plus 29, X plus 55 is equal to 135. Now to find the value of X, we have to solve. First we will add all like terms. X plus X is 3X. 29 plus 55, 84. Now this 84 will be transposed to RHS. So 135 minus 84 is 51. Now this 3 will be transposed here and this it will divide 51. So X will be 17. Thus Baichung's age is 17 years. Now because we have got value of X, so we can find his father's age by substituting value of X plus 29, so 17 plus 29, 46 years. So father is of 46 years. His grandfather's age we can find. It is given X plus 55, so we will substitute X. 17 plus 55, that is 72 years. Hope it is clear to you. This question is very simple, but the question is twisted, so you have to read this carefully, slowly, so that you can interpret the meaning of the problem. Now let us start with question number 12. 15 years from now. 15 years from now means after 15 years. Ravi's age will be 4 times of his present age. It means after 15 years, Ravi's age will be 4 times of the age of his present age. So we will assume let Ravi's age be X because we have to find Ravi's present age. 15 years later, according to the question, Ravi's age will be equal to 4 into his present age because it is given 4 times of his present age. So 15 years later, Ravi's age will be X plus 15 because his present age we have assumed as X. And after 15 years, X plus 15 and it will be 4 times of his present age. So 4 into X, that is 4X. Now we will transpose this X to RHS. 4X minus X, 3X. Now this 3 will be transposed here to left hand side. It will divide 15. That will be 5. So X we have got as 5. It means Ravi's present age is 5 years. Now question number 13. Today we will do till question number 13. Then tomorrow we will do 3 more sums and then this exercise will be completed. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2. Rational number is not given to us. we will have to assume that rational number be x, and when it is we have to multiply that x with 5 by 2, and then it is given and add 2 by 3 to the product. It means after multiplying that rational number with 5 by 2, whatever product you are getting, you have to add 2 by 3 to it. And on doing all these things, you get minus 7 by 12 as result. So what is the number? So we will assume let rational number be x, and according to the question, x has to be multiplied with 5 by 2. So it will be 5 by 2x, and then we have to add 2 by 3 to the product. Product is 5 by 2x, and we will add 2 by 3. So it will be 5 by 2x plus 2 by 3, and as a result we are getting minus 7 by 12. So our equation will be 5 by 2x plus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 7 by 12. Now this full 2 by 3 will be transposed that side because it is added here. So when it will go that side, it will be subtracted. So we will take LCM of 12 and 13, that is 12. We will solve it and we will get minus 15 upon 12 on right hand side. But on left hand side, still 5 by 2 is there with x. Now we will take that 5 by 2 towards right hand side. 5 by 2 is multiplying here. So that side it will be reciprocated and will multiply with minus 15 by 12. So it will be minus 15 by 12 into 2 by 5. We will solve it and we will get x is equal to minus 3 by 6. Again we can convert into simpler form and we will get minus 1 by 2. Thus we have got x as minus 1 by 2. Thus the unknown rational number is minus 1 by 2. And you can verify by multiplying minus 1 by 2 with 5 by 2 and then add 2 by 3 to the product. Definitely you will get minus 7 by 12. So children, complete these sums in your copy and practice on your own also. Regular practice is very much required to get perfection. Thank you.